So in this video we will discuss on some multiple choice question related to the fourth paper, aquaculture and economic importance of fishes. So let's start. Here the first question is, which of the following is not a characteristics of cultivable fishes? जो कल्टिवेबल फिशेज हैं उनकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात हो रही है. अब यहाँ पर फास्ट ग्रोथ रेट वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होना चाहिए, हाई डिसीज रेजिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, लो रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेसिटी ये गलत है, फिश में हाई रिप्रोडक्टिव कैपेसिटी होना चाहिए. तो इसका जो है वो ऑप्शन सी इसके हिसाब से करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट वन देखिए, which of the following is an exotic fish species in India? So exotic fish species means those fish species which is brings from another country for the culture activity. So it is the grass carp, Tinopheringodonidella. It is the exotic species, or basically it is brings into the India from China. So its native country is China, and our indigenous species are Rohu, Katla and Mrigal. These are Indian major carp and these are native species. But grass carp, that is Tinopheringodonidella, it is an exotic species. Next one is the, which major carp is known for its bottom feeding habits? So here we know that it is the mrigal which have ये bottom feeding habit. तो यहाँ पर जो है when we perform the composite fish culture, that is culture of the katla, rohu and mrigal simultaneously, then katla is a surface feeder, rohu is a column feeder and mrigal is a bottom feeder. So the correct option here is the mrigal. So below the question, the explanation of the answer is also given. You can read it and got more insight regarding the answer. Now next one, which of the following is an indigenous fish species in India? So indigenous means which is native, basically which is found in India. So it is the Nile tilapia, it is an exotic variety. Common carp, exotic variety. Silver carp, exotic variety. Katla is the indigenous variety. So it is a indigenous variety. Now next one, which fish is known for its ability to control aquatic weeds? So for control of the aquatic weeds, the fish which is employed is grass carp. As the name indicated, this fish feeds on the grasses present in the pond. So the correct option here is the grass carp. Next one is the, which of the following fish is a fast growing cultivable fish? Fast growth wali fish. So rohu is known for its fast growth, and it reaches 1 kilogram in a year, making it ideal for aquaculture, unlike ornamental fish like goldfish or guppy. So the fishes that are given here, इनमें से जो चार दिए गए हैं, the first growing species here is the rohu. The first growing species among four that is given here is rohu. Now the next one, which is the seventh question, and it is the uh, which exotic fish species was introduced to India from Africa? So which of the following species is brings from the Africa? So it is Nile tilapia. As we know, Nile is a river, and it is a river of African country. So Nile tilapia is an exotic species which is brought in India from the Africa. And the zoological name of the Nile tilapia is Oreochromis niloticus, and it has fast growth and hardiness. Here the hardiness means it has good capacity to survive in variable habitat, different types of habitat, and it has also good immune power. So it is a strong fish, and it is not suffering from ordinary climatic conditions. Next one is the which fish commonly used in composite fish culture. So if we talk about the composite fish culture, then composite fish culture is the culture of the many fish variety simultaneously all with together. So here it is the mrigal. Mrigal is cultivated with rohu and katla in uh, composite fish culture. So it is a good combination of in India. Uh, so that is katla, rohu, and mrigal. Now next one, which of the following is not an Indian major carp? So as we know that Indian major carp is the rohu, katla, and mrigal. So here it is the common carp which is not uh, an Indian major carp, and it is an exotic species that is introduced from Europe. Now next one, which fish is suitable for culture in brackish water? So brackish water is the mix of fresh water and sea water. It is not pure sea water and not pure fresh water, but brackish water is a mixture of both these two type of water, and it is the milk fish that is also known as chanos chanos. It is cultivated in brackish water. The rest of the species are freshwater species. Which characteristics is desirable in cultivable fishes? So here the desirable character for cultivation of a fish is that it must have fast growth rate, it have a high feed conversion ratio, and it have it should not be susceptible to disease, and it have good adaptability, not poor adaptability. So here the correct option is B, high feed conversion ratio. Now a high feed conversion ratio means the fish efficiently convert feed into its body mass. It means when we provide 1 kilogram feed, then there is higher growth in its weight. It means it is rapidly converting this food into its uh, body development and its growth. Now next one, that is question number 12. Which fish is known for its air breathing capability? So as we know that many catfishes are air breathing, and here the catfish is the mangur, that is Calias batrachus, and singi is also a air breathing fish. So here in this question the option that is given here, it is the mangur, allowing it to survive in oxygen poor water because it has accessory respiratory organ, and through which it absorbs the oxygen of the air. Now next one, which of the following is a freshwater prawn? Very important question. So As we know that prawn occur in marine water, and there are only few species that are found in freshwater. So freshwater prawn here is the Macrovarincium rosenberghi, and it is also called as giant freshwater prawn. So we have to keep in mind its common name, that is giant freshwater prawn, and scientific name Macrovarincium rosenberghi, found in freshwater, and popular species cultured in freshwater. Now next one is the which fish is not native to India. So again this question is talk about the exotic fish. So exotic fish here is the common carp. Next question, which fish is primarily a surface feeder? So mrigal is a bottom feeder and katla is a surface feeder. Roe is a column feeder. It means column feeder means the fish that feeds in between the surface and bottom. Now next one is the which of the following fish is a fish species used in aquaculture? So among these four, it is the Pangasius. Pangasius. It is also known as Pangasia, Pangasianodon hypothalamus is farmed catfish. It means it is cultured in the freshwater and known for its fast growth and adaptability to intensive culture system. So there are other variety also, but that is given here in this question. It is the Pangasius. Other catfishes are Singi, Mangur. Question number 70. What is the main advantage of composite fish farming? Composite fish farming is the mixture of different varieties. So here the composite fish farming, the advantage of composite fish farming is to utilize different feeding zone of the pond. So by introducing the fish of different habitat, the food of the different part of the pond are utilized by different variety. So each and every part of the pond is utilized for fish production, and in this way we got more productivity. Now next question is the question number 18. Which fish is commonly used in polyculture with carp? So here polyculture is it is the same as the composite fish culture. It is the common uh, polyculture means composite fish culture. So here the shark, tuna, and salmon, these are marine water fishes. In cultured fishes, it is the silver carp which is cultured along with other fishes. So if we talk about the polyculture or composite fish culture, it is the option C is correct. Now the question number 19. Which of the following is a warm water fish species? So warm water means the water of the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. These conditions are the tropical region, and here it is the rohu that is commonly cultivated in plain region of the India, and a trout, cod. Cod is a marine water fish. A trout and salmon, these are the cold water fisheries and occur in hill region. Which fish is not suitable for cold water aquaculture? So here it is again the rohu. It is the fish of the tropical region or warm water region, and the rest of the fish are cold water fish. 20. Which fish is known for its high market demand in India? So it is the rohu. Rohu, as an edible fish, has a high market demand in India, and guppy and goldfish is an ornamental fish, and these are used for ornamental purpose, particularly for aquarium. Which of the following is a major constraint in fish farming? Here constraint means difficulty. So what are the major difficulty in fish farming? So the major problem is the availability of quality seed. Fish farming, there are different varieties that have high growth rate, and there are their uh, low price feed are also available, and many variety have good demand in the market, but their seed are not available easily. So it is major problem, particularly in India, and due to different efforts of ICAR, now the induced breeding system and other technique are providing the more amount of seed. Now next one, which fish is used in biological control of mosquito? So it is the gambusia. Gambusia is also known as mosquito fish because it feeds on the mosquito larvae. So it is also a larvivorous fish. So you can choose this uh, in different ways, such as a larvivorous fish, as a mosquito fish, or a fish that is important for the control of mosquito population. So question can be asked in different way. Now next question, which of the following is a saltwater fish occasionally cultured in brackish water? Saltwater fish, that is originally a marine water fish, but it can be cultured in brackish water. Brackish water is actually the mixture of fresh water and marine water. So it is the milk fish, Chanus chanus. It is a euryhaline species. What it means of euryhaline? Euryhaline means it has capability to adapt in a wide range of salinity level. So it can be survive in brackish water and also in pure marine water because it have ability to survive in wide range of salinity, which fish is known for its high protein content and fast growth. So here the fish that is given here is the Nile tilapia, and tilapia has very good market demand, and people like it for consumption. So Nile tilapia is prized for its rapid growth, high protein content, and it is also a hardy fish. It has high adaptability to diverse farming conditions. Now next one, which of the following is a disadvantage of exotic fish species? Although exotic fish species are brought in the country for getting benefit, but there are also some disadvantage or harmful effect, and these disadvantages are that they may threaten native species by competing with them, or there may be hybridization between native variety and exotic variety takes place, and the hybrid offspring may not be suitable for, may not be beneficial for us. So these aspect is disadvantages of the exotic fish, and we should be careful when we brought any species from another country, or any when we introducing a exotic fish in the country. So it is the government regulation, and we cannot introduce a fish without in knowledge to government authority. Now, which of the following is a major carp in South India? Next question is, which of the following is a major carp in South India? So, major carp in South India is Katla, it is a carp of North India and hilly region. Rohu is also North Indian fish. Mrigal, North India. So here, no one, none of the above. It is the option D is correct. And all the fishes that are given here are the major carp of the North India and East India. That is Northeast states, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura. Which fish is known for its tolerance to low oxygen level? So it is the catfishes or air breathing fishes that have capability to live in low oxygen level because they have accessory respiratory organ. So it is the singi. It is also called as stinging catfish, and the scientific name is Petropneustus fossilis. It can survive in low oxygen level. Now the last question, which is the which of the following is not a cultivable fish species? So it is the which of the following is not a cultivable fish species? So it is the shark, which is not a cultivable fish species. So uh, it is all about in this video, and we will meet in next video.